Hello everyone, this is Anamul. Today I'm going to show you basic Linux command, and we will discuss about Linux basic. We'll learn a lot of things together. So let's do it. Okay, today we will discuss about directory and file system of Linux, how to see the current working directory, how to see the file and directory list from the present directory, directory navigation, making a directory, making a file. Well, about directory and file system of Linux. Well, the Linux file system hierarchy structure of or the file system hierarchy standard (PHS) defines the directory structure and directory contents in Unix-like operating system. It's maintained by the Linux Foundation. In the hierarchy, all files or directories appear under the root directory, even if they are stored on different physical or virtual devices. Some of these directories only exist on particular system if certain subsystems such as the Windows X Windows system are installed. Most of these directories exist in all Unix operating systems and are generally used in much the same way. However, the descriptions here we are those used specifically for the PHS and are not considered other authority for platform other than Linux. Well, root, primary hierarchy root and root directory of the entire file system hierarchy. Every single file and directory stored from the root directory, and the only root user has the right to write another directory. Root is the root user's home directory, which is not the same as root. Okay, here is bin directory, which is essential user command binaries, which is content, and boot directory static files of the bootloaders, its content, and device files. For device files directory, it's etc, which is content host specific. System configuration files, and home directory, which is content user home directories and user information, LIB shared libraries, media, removable media, and MNT, which is a mounted to file system, OPT, add on application software packages, SBIN system binaries as a read data for service from the system, TMP temporary files, and user utilities and applications, and proc process information. Then we are going to know how to see a present working directory. We will use to see the present working directory. We will use this command pwd. P means present, W means working, and D means directory. And then we will see how to see the file and directory list from the present directory. We will use ls means list. And directory navigation, we will use cd command to navigate in the directory. and then we will learn mkdir command to create a directory. Mk means make and dir means directory, and making a file, will make a file using touch command. And then let's go to the practice session. Well, this is the terminal, my terminal, so it's already open. You can open it. Well, here is already exist some directories. I already use ls command to see the current directories and files. Okay, now I'm want to see where is my present directory and where I'm staying now. Okay, present working directory. Okay, this is the my current directory, home Ubuntu. I'm staying now under the root directory and then home and then user Ubuntu. Okay, now I have to see again list of directories and files. ls and all directories and files already show here. This is a file and this is a directory. If we try to see how to understand which are directory and which are files. Okay, in this case we can write ls and hyphen um, a, or okay, a, then we can see here ls minus l, then we can see here uh, directory, d means directory, and hyphen, this is our file. Okay, here user and group name, and which was created uh, October 7, and this is the permission of these files. Okay, we will learn a lot of things about these files and file permission, a user and group and other things, step by step. Okay, now I'm going to create a directory using mkdir command. Mkdir. Okay, make directory. Now I'm here write name of directory test and dir directory. You can use any name. Okay, here 4. Okay, this is a directory test, and now we are going to check is it created or not. Okay, it's created t test directory 4, and then now navigate it cd and switch directory. Cd means okay, test tab directory dir directory 4, then press enter, and then check here is here any file. There is no file, so I'm going to create a file. How we create file? Touch command, using touch command, touch, touch. Okay, touch. Then uh, test. Okay, test file 1. Okay, dot txt. You can write any name. Okay, created, done. Then I'm checking here all this. It's created. Okay, this is the file we are now created. Okay, then we can write something in this file using sudo beam means editor. This is the editor, like others editor or notepad, like notepad. Well, here I'm writing the file name which I wanted to edit, text file, then enter, and here I have to assign sudo password. Okay, then here this is the empty screen. This is the writing interface. We have to press I to write something, insert something. Okay, this is the test file. Okay, escape, then shift colon and WQ. W means write and Q means quit. Okay, press enter. Done. And now we can check it using we can see the content of this file using cat command cat, then test, then file name. Okay, test file name, then enter. This is the content which I already written here. Okay, this is the test file. Okay, today we have learned a lot of things, and we will learn together after second video. I'm making a second video, and we will learn a lot of things step by step. Uh, and then we will, after completed Linux part, we will learn cloud computing. We will learn web server deployment, and we will learn Dockerization, we will learn Kubernetes, a lot of things. Okay, today we have learned uh, ls command to see list of directory. We have learned present working directory. We have learned cd, sorry, mkdir, that means we created a directory mkdir, make directory. We have learned um, present working directory mkdir. Then we have learned cd, switch or navigate directory. And we have learned um, file creation using touch command, touch. Okay, so this is all for today. We will go for that on the next